Today's video, I'll share how to create a Google Shopping ads and Google Performance Max ads. Or everything is covered for Google Ads. Okay, so today's video, I'll share how to create a Google Merchant Center, how to create a Google Shopping ads, Google Performance ads, everything. Okay, so this video you have, I hope you as well as very effective for your life. Okay, so I'm going to this my analytics section. So I can see it's only for on 5 add to cart and 41 can revenue. So this is a high value this ads. Okay, so basically shopping ads and performance ads. I'm following this option. So the very big cell. Okay, so first of all, I am going to this Google Ads section. Okay, so you can go into Google Ads account. So first of all, this is a create a campaign. Okay, so going to campaign. Okay, so new campaign is the choose the object, main object. Okay, choose your object. My object is a sales. Okay, so my object is a sales. I'm going to this all of a sudden use your conversation goal for improved sales. Already what you got option on active and purchase on inactive. Okay, so is one inactive, no problem. As soon as possible is okay. So if you need this service for Google Ads conversation value setups, just contact me in my description box or all other thing. No problem. I can help you. It's a paid service. No problem. So going to this continue. Okay. So is that you select your campaign type. Select my campaign type: search, performance max, demand gen, display, video, and shopping. I'm going to this performance max. Okay. So going to this performance. This is a main shopping ads and performance. This is a one by one, but this is very good for performance max. New update for Google. So I'm going to this advantage for your product merchant center. You can go into this advertising merchant center. Just click in the option. Okay, so automatically my merchant center ID. Okay, then going to this select a specific feed. Then my feed only one feed and 100% product approved and 151 product approved. I can see this 151 product approved one. I see this one. Okay, so this is a factor already there. Had 6 clicks and very good, no problem. So I'm going to this option, no problem. Says one special feed. Okay, use all product feed. Use all product feed. Only one feed is no problem. I'm going to say this one. Okay. Then campaign name is what is your campaign name? My campaign name is Sales Performance Max is 151. No problem. You can Sales Performance Max. Okay, so it's fine. Then we can continue. So first, then you have the bidding. Okay, bidding. What to do? You want to just focus on conversion value, this automatic option, and conversion. You can choose all time this conversion value. Okay, so set as target return ad spend optional. So target ROI is 40%, 50%. It is yours. I can suggest you not clicking the option. Okay, so first of all. This maximum customer acquisition. This option is of remarketing. Okay, so first campaign, this is not optimized. Okay, this is not optimized. Just click this is optimizing the weekly cost and all everything, and see this a bit higher the new customer and exciting customer recommended. So basically, my new customer then exciting customer. This is not the exciting customer because the first step. Okay, so I am not clicking the option this customer acquisition. It's a mainly focus on this remarketing. Okay, remarketing campaign. That's a very good option. Okay, so I'm going to this next. So location is a best important for maximum time is automatically skip this of parts on this all countries of territories. This is not my feed only for this is my feed only for US. I can check in this feed. I'm going to data source. Uh, So I'm going to this data source. I can check this only for United States. Okay, so my country only for United States. Okay, so I'm going to this United States. Okay, not for United States of Canada. Enter another location. This is you can choose another option. I can my ad run for only for United States because my US feed only for the product data source only for USA. Okay, I can hope you understand. Okay, no problem. So I can. Then language is the must follow this in language. It's a way language, English. Okay, no problem. English and sorry. English, and you can choose the another language. No problem. You can choose another language. Maximum, I can suggest you only for English. No problem. This is a very effective for mine. Okay, then automatically created asset. Okay, so text asset and final URL, all everything is automatic and more setting. Think the more setting ad schedule. Ad schedule is what is that ad? I can be all day, no problem. All day ad, all day, no problem. Then the start and end date. Start date is a 2 day. Is a third in September, no problem. Is it a start? Is start in September. End date is not set up. You can choose 5 day, 7 day, 8 day, 10, 100. I can always this is not set. I can always this run. It's no problem. I can set not set. Okay, then campaign URL action. No option this set. Okay, your option URL option is the targeting tracking template is skip, no problem. Okay, then execution. Bid execution is not your like no problem. No brand list. No, it's option. Then more option. This started in date. Okay, then next. Okay, so asset generation, let Google AI help generate asset. My website is okay. My website already in the where people click in the ad your my website link because my website already set up this option because Google Merchant Center connected this ads account then automatically find my website. Okay, so what product service for advertising and campaign for some keyword auto suggested. Okay, so you can choose the another keyword. No problem. You choose is only for 5 and 10. You can do use this 20. No problem. Okay, so going to this option say also then generate option. So okay, this one fine. Okay, I'm going to add this one on. I am adding at the one keyword for this one. Okay, so I'm going one keyword to generate option skip. Okay, so just click add groups and shopping ads. Okay, shopping. Stop this cells. And the okay, so my asset group is any no problem. Any name no problem. Your name no problem. So listing for ads all product. Okay, this is the most important option. This is a yours listing group Google Merchant Center number and you also choose the product for so your some ads for headline description and Merchant Center. Then add product all product is selection product no problem. You can choose the I use the wall product and say okay automatically. This is the main option. This asset. Okay, asset is a good. Your ad is very good. Okay, so no problem. So this is you can first of all you can this final URL. Okay, final URL. You can choose this my website address for this one. Okay, this one website and this final URL. Okay, finally URL. Okay, then headline is 50 February headline. This is a code and our plus and the general headlines. Okay, this is automatically generate at least 5 container. Okay, generate. Uh, okay, I'm going to first of all as the pitched container cell and chip 24, local 24, purchase container 525 online or container this container available. Then 14 40 feet container house. Your website, your product related option, no problem. Generate container cell affordable for living or everything. Okay, generate more modern affordable container homes. container house, low cost container, affordable. This is a 50. Okay, this is good. Then I'm going to this loading this site. And then looking for this long headline. Okay, long headline is general headline. Container house this general option. Okay, so going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one 5. Okay, I want text ball. Okay, then going to this save. And there is a description, same quality description, no problem. I got this one. Then image. Okay, so image, select all. So the step is main image, print already set up, automatic setup, select all. Okay, image to. Okay, I can see. I hope. Then cannot find any logo suggest. And then going to this logos, suggest, set to upload logo. Okay, then it business name. This one. Okay, this one business name, Martin Center name, the same name. Use the same name. Okay, it's a good. Then need some videos. Okay, then videos asset library, asset library and filter, and this asset library not available. This is a new create video and voiceover. This search video YouTube URL and we click in the YouTube URL with some video. Okay, then settling call to action. Okay, so call to action. So automated. I need this cell sign up. No, this is my need. This shop now. Okay, or by now might it not. I need this shop one. Shop shop now. Okay. Okay. So search theme and then idea. Then next. This is a budget. The recommended budget daily was a 77. Okay, already campaigning is 4. You can do 88 for 7. This option and this custom budget, no problem. I can suggest you. Recommended, no problem. And the custom budget, I need to daily budget, wish, no problem. I can set up wish. This is the weekly cost. This one, weekly conversation 4, and it's about its conversion value, everything. Then weekly cost on 154, no problem. This is your budget is lower than advertising budget minus partner. So I am suggest you recommended budget. Okay, so it is good. The next asset atlas character for description required. Okay, so I'm going to this description atlas 66 already. The four, so this one. Okay, right. Next. You can try to this cycling. Okay, try this cycling is a good. Cycling is a forward cycling. It is a good 6.4%. Okay, already 90% campaign optimized score. Then 6%, 96% easily away. Okay, so okay, all everything is okay. Not signal audience is not problem. This published campaign, just a published campaign. This is a good for you. Everything is okay. You can just run campaign, publish campaign. It's good. Okay. So hope you this add to cart goal already purchased on okay and merchant center okay and all our feed okay optimize option okay with the strategy okay all everything is okay conversion value okay customer acquisition and next. So you can just summary you can option this publish this new ads. I hope you understand this Google Shopping ads right this option of what it's even weekly assistant for weekly conversation is the 49 is good, really good. I understand this option is very good because your website and 49 your daily budget or only for 77, and this daily budget is very high and very conversation. Weekly conversation 49, weekly conversation value. Oh, fine. Weekly cost is this one, and average value ROI on average conversation value for 361.91% is very high. So I hope you estimated. This is really estimated. Okay, estimated. I hope you understand this option. No problem. So please need help for Google Ads, Google Merchant Center reactivated, Google Merchant Center service, any service, and Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager setup. All or everything I can help you for this one. Okay. So please contact description my contacts address. Just knock me. I'll help you everything for e-commerce marketing for Google Ads, Google Shopping Ads, Facebook Ads, all are everything. Thank you, everyone. See you next video.